Welcome to Han Solo Music. I'm Han Solo. Today we're going to be going over a quick lesson on power chords. That's your basic rock and roll chord. You can play all kinds of songs with this one. So the way to perform it, just a quick recap, I've done videos before. I'm going to do this on the letter C, which is actually string number 6, all the way to the top, fret number 8 with your index. Then you're going to skip a fret on the next string with your ring finger. And that's a beginner version, just the 2 finger. And particularly with distortion, that'll sound pretty good. But if you can get your pinky behind so that you're actually doing these 2 on the same fret, it'll give you a fuller sound. So that's how to physically play a power chord. Now, how do you get better? How do you practice it? Well, one step at a time. So I'm going to start off with going to the very next fret and then returning. And I like to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you practice that for a period of time until you get good at it. You could slow it down until you can find a pace that you can predictably land on the next strings. I'm kind of relaxing my hand and just letting it follow the strings like train tracks, by the way. And as you progress, you should be able to get up to a speed that'll help you transition between chords and other songs. So once you're good at going from one fret to the very next, you're going to add a fret, step by step. You're going to practice that for a period of time until you get good at it. Then you're going to add a fret. Practice that, then add a fret. But by the time you get to where you're skipping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets, you can actually just go to the next set of strings. So that'll save you a lot of movement. That'll help you when you're singing. You don't have to move around so much. So that is a skill that you'll have to build, going down to the very next set of strings, but you're going to do the exact same thing. And then once you get good at that, that might take a little practice, you're going to start adding frets, but doing the next set of strings. That's a pretty intense one. Then you're going to add a fret. Pretty soon your hand will just have that din 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 shape memorized. Add a fret. Get good at that and add a fret. But by the time that you're skipping 5 frets, you can actually just go to the next set of strings. Now, so far, this is probably more skills than you need to play most of the songs that you'd ever want to. But let's keep the experiment going. Let's add a fret. And last but not least, we've actually done our full octave. So that's my beginner level power chords exercise. Basically, you're just going 1 fret at a time, and you want to make sure that you're getting good at each of these positions before you move on. But with that skill, you can You can play power chords all over the place. Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? And that'll open up the doors to a lot of songs. I'm Hans Nieschultz. Thanks for tuning into Hans Solo Music. Feel free, if you like this video, to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Share as much as you can. I'm just trying to share this music with the world. Let the shredding begin, and I will catch you guys next time.